Today I'm going to show you how to add a payment method to Upwork. So here we are in Upwork. On the top right, you'll see your profile picture. Click on that and come down to account settings. Within account settings on the left hand side, you'll see billing and go into billing and payments. Within here, you will see add a billing method. Click on that. You'll get to choose between debit or credit card. I'm going to show you what that looks like. Here you want to add your card number, first name, last name, expiration month on your card, your expiration year, your security code, which will be somewhere on your card, then your billing address, your country address, city, postal code, which is optional, and then click on save, and that will be one of your payment methods. If you choose PayPal, this is what it will look like. Here you are going to click on pay with PayPal, and you're going to log into PayPal with your PayPal credentials, and it will automatically link you to Upwork. You'll need to make sure that you've got a debit or credit card linked to your PayPal account so that the PayPal account is actually verified. And once it's verified, you can go ahead and receive payments into PayPal from Upwork clients.